What's up YouTube? This is my collection 7000. Just want to show you my Japanese import diecast and toys collection. These are all like Hondas and Nissans and Toyotas. So yeah, here we go. With the Fast and Furious Mini RC. Got the Honda Asimo. Lego. Got an old school CRX from Tomica. Got some NSXs. Chorokyu. Got a 92 Civic or Initial D. Got the Zip Zap Corollas. I got the Spoon S2000. Got some box ones. I got this limited edition spoon, but the box is kind of beat up. Got a mini Tomica. Got some more box ones. Max Boost for Import Tuner. A Road Track Accord and Civic. Some Tomica maps. I got the Initial D EK Civic. Got a 86. Another 86 model. Spider-Man S2000. Honda Big Rig. Got some modifiers. Got a Delso and a Integra. Got this one too, a Delso. Some first series modifiers. Civics and Integras. And we got the Revell Type R. Fast and Furious Integra. Got the Edge. Some mini champs, a Honda CRX. I had a CRX just like this one back in the day, and a Civic, but mine was like baby blue. Then I got a Tomica Honda playset and a Super Auto Box. You got the Johnny Lightning Gold Classic Integra. There's a Muscle Machine. This is the 2003 New York Fair car. Got a Sylvia, blue hatchback, a Datsun, NSX, RSX. Got a 2002 Hobby Show limited edition Civic hatchback. Got a Bluebird. This is the San Diego new model introduction meeting S2000 Skyline. Then got Jada Toys for sale, Datsun. Got the Takara NSX, Daishin Sylvia, Miyamiya RX7, sorry, and Initial D gift pack. Then we got Import Racer, Initial D, so 80, FD3S Mazda, another Corolla, got a Sylvia, a S13, an Option D Skyline, Import Tuner Accord, Toyota Chaser. Got a Signal Sylvia, Monopoly Accord, Toyota Supra, and RSX. Nice color. J-tuned. I got some Street Freak CRXs. Integra, a silver one. Got a 97 Civic. Got another CRX. Honda. Got a gold 89 CRX and another one. Then you got the project in progress Civic. So yeah, this is my import, Japanese import diecast toys and collection. Sorry. Yeah, so yeah, these are my imports. I love my imports. I'll be doing a couple more collection videos. So yeah, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, commenting, and talk to you later. Aloha.